Hello, today I'm going to be reading from the New Bedford Public Schools English Language Arts Learning Packet, Part 2 for Grade 1. We'll be doing Lesson 1, reading the story Lan and the Pangolins. I'd like you to follow along, read, and then we'll be reading the comprehension questions for you to go back into the text and answer. Okay, so let's get started. Lan and the Pangolins. The story is by Eva Stewart. Lan was the animal rescue center. The center was near a hot, huge jungle. It was where Lan's dad worked. He took care of animals that were hurt. Animals stayed at the center while they got better. Now Lan was cleaning up. She heard a door slam. Her dad ran in. He was holding two strange animals. What are they? Lan asked with surprise. They are pangolins, said her dad, a mother and her baby. The mother needs help. The mother pangolin's leg was hurt. Lan's dad rested his leg. The pangolin looked at Lan with bright eyes. Lan had never seen a pangolin before. The pangolin's leg was better in 3 days, but the pangolins did not move or eat much. Their eyes were no longer bright. What is wrong? Lan asked her dad. Pangolins do not like being inside, he said. We will take them back to the jungle tonight. Most pangolins are awake then. Lan and her dad waited until night came. Lan's dad carried the pangolins in a cage. They crossed a red bridge over a rushing river. We must go deep into the jungle, her father said. Pangolins live there. The air felt wet and hot. Lan stopped to take a drink. Lan saw moonlight shining on the vines and tall trees. Lan and her dad kept walking. They passed a pond. We cannot leave the pangolins here, her dad said. They will not be safe. They saw some big rocks. The pangolins cannot live here, Lan's dad said. There's nothing to eat. They walked more. Finally, Lan saw a fallen tree. The pangolins could stay here, she said. There will be bugs for them to eat. Yes, her dad said, and there is a stream. They will have water to drink. This is the perfect spot, Lan said. She let the pangolins out of the cage. The baby climbed on the mother's tail. They crawled under the fallen tree together. Lan was sad to say goodbye, but she was happy. The pangolins had a home. Now we're going to be doing our comprehension questions. Please feel free to pause this so that you can go back into the text to find your answers. Question 1. Page 1 of your passage. Which picture shows the setting of the animal shelter? So they give us 3 pictures to look at. Now remember, the setting is where the story takes place. Now I notice the animal shelter looks exactly the same in all 3 pictures, so make sure you're looking at the background. Okay, on question number 2, again, please look at page 2 of the passage. Why was Lan surprised? A, Lan had not seen a mother and baby before. B, Lan had not seen this kind of animal before. Or C, Lan had not seen a hurt animal before. So again, why was Lan surprised? Look back on page 2. Was it Lan had never seen a mother and baby before? Lan had not seen this kind of animal before? Or Lan had not seen a hurt animal before. Question 3, page 3 of your passage. How do the pangolins feel after being inside for a few days? Complete the sentence. So again, how do the pangolins feel after a few days? So now they want us to complete this sentence. The pangolins feel blank when they are inside. A, sad. B, shy. C, safe. So the pangolins feel sad when they are inside. The pangolins feel shy when they are inside, or the pangolins feel safe when they are inside. Question 4 from page 4 of your passage. Which key detail tells you how the jungle setting feels? So which key detail tells you how the jungle setting feels? So I want you to look back at page 4 of this story. And what detail would tell you how the jungle feels? A, there are tall trees and vines. B, they cross the bridge. C, the air is hot and wet. Think about which sentence has to do with how someone would feel. So again, A, there are tall trees and vines. B, they crossed a bridge. Or C, the air is hot and wet. Question 5 from page 5 of this passage. Why do Lan and her dad pass by the rocks instead of letting the pangolins go there? Again, why do Lan and her dad pass by the rocks instead of letting them go there? A, there is no food. B, it is not safe there. C, the animals need water. Again, A, there is no food. B, it is not safe there. C, the animals need water. Question 6 from page 6 of our passage. Why is the fallen tree a good place for the pangolins to live? Why is the fallen tree a good place for the pangolins to live? A, there is food and water. B, there is a tree to climb on. C, there is a stream to swim in. So remember to look back in the passage on page 6. Question 7, page 7 of your passage. What do Lan and her dad do last in the story? So here we're going to choose the event. So here they're sequencing. So first, they help 2 pangolins at the rescue center. Next, they look for a good pangolin home in the jungle. We're deciding what happens last. So last, A, they leave the pangolins high in a tree. B, last, they leave the pangolins in the perfect spot. Or C, last, they leave the pangolins in the cage. So we have to decide what happened last. Did they leave the pangolins high in a tree? Did they leave the pangolins in the perfect spot? Or C, did they leave the pangolins in the cage? All right, good job today. Feel free to listen to the story again to go back to help you answer your comprehension questions. And then I would love for you to challenge yourself to read this passage a couple of times on your own. Thank you.